So you might be in a position where for some reason your HomePod just isn't working. Now, whether it's the HomePod Mini or it's the bigger HomePod that you have, there are many reasons why your HomePod can actually not be functional. But the very first thing I would recommend doing for the most part is making sure that your HomePod is actually plugged in. If your HomePod is not plugged in, like how my HomePod is not plugged in, then that could very well be the issue. And for a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do. So just go ahead, make sure your HomePod is plugged in properly. If you're able to see the lights, then you're fine. But if your HomePod isn't plugged in or if it doesn't have power, that is going to be the main reason why your HomePod is not working. You can also try going through unplugging your HomePod and plugging it back in, and a lot of the times that may end up fixing the problem as well, which is actually pretty cool. Now, for those of you who don't know, your HomePod is pretty much connected via your home application of your iPhone. So if you have your HomePod, what I would recommend doing is going through and essentially loading up your specific, home application, which in this case I just open it up. And because I don't have my HomePod connected to this iPhone, what I would recommend doing is going through, making sure that your iPhone is connected to your HomePod, but also this is the big thing. You want to make sure your Wi-Fi connection is properly set up. Because if your Wi-Fi isn't properly on, if you're having Wi-Fi issues, that is going to be a problem here because your iPhone is connected to your HomePod via Wi-Fi. So you won't be able to make commands, you won't be able to say anything to Siri, it'll just kind of just say it's working on something or it's not going to work because it's not connected to Wi-Fi. And even based on Apple's own troubleshooting guide here, they do state the same thing. So just go through, make sure you don't have any Wi-Fi issues. That is a big, massive thing as well. They also say check for alerts in the home application. So just make your way over to your home application and make sure there was nothing crazy going on, that the HomePod isn't malfunctioning or anything like that. And essentially they do state, basically restarting your HomePod Mini or HomePod. And that is basically one of the other main things you can do. By restarting your HomePod, if for some reason you're not able to restart it via software, via scrolling down in your home application, you could also just try going through, unplugging your HomePod, plugging it back in, and that might end up fixing the problem as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.